Hello student, let's see the question. The question says two identical particles each having a charge of 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb and the mass of 10 grams are kept at a separation of 10 centimeter and then released. What should be the speed of the particle when the separation become large? Clear? So let's say हमारे पास दो पार्टिकल हैं, पार्टिकल A और पार्टिकल B हमने माना, और इनके बीच में जो सेपरेशन डिस्टेंस है वो कितनी है? 10 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर? तो हमारे पास गिवन डाटा क्या हुआ? गिवन हुआ हमारे पास Q1 दैट इज चार्ज ऑफ द फर्स्ट पार्टिकल इज इक्वल्स टू Q2, और दोनों आइडेंटिकल पार्टिकल्स हैं तो चार्ज हमारा कितना हुआ? 2.0 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 4 कूलम. क्लियर? Mass of the two identical particles will be also provided, that is equals to 10 gram, and that will be equals to 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Clear? और हमारे पास separation distance that will be r, and that will be also provided 10 centimeter, which is equals to 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So these are the value provided by the question. Okay, now we all know that when these two particles are placed nearby, then there is a repulsive force. उनके बीच में एक repulsive force होगी. Then there is a repulsive force between these two particles, and the potential energy is generated. And potential energy भी वहाँ पर generate होगी. At the same time उन पार्टिकल्स के बीच में क्या होगा? डिस्टेंस भी इंक्रीज होता जाएगा टाइम के साथ में. क्लियरली? ओके, सो पार्टिकल गेट्स अपार्ट विद द सेम वेलोसिटी एंड सेपरेशन विल बिकम इंक्रीज्ड. देयरफॉर कंसेप्ट क्या होगा यहाँ पर? कंसेप्ट होगा कि जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी में गेन आ रहा है हमारा, गेन इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी, वो हमारा इक्वल होगा जो हमारा लॉस हो रहा है, लॉस इन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. क्लियर? ये हम कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, सो हमें पता है काइनेटिक एनर्जी कितनी होगी? हाफ mv². पार्टिकल 2 है तो 2 इंटू हाफ mv², सो दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू mv². लेट्स से इट इज़ अवर इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Potential energy will be also given, that is U equals to K Q1 Q2 upon R. Q1 is equals to Q2, so in that case KQ² upon R, that is equals equation number 2. Now we know the concept that gain in kinetic energy is equals to loss in potential energy. So equation 1 is equation will be equals to equation number 2. So mv² will be equals to kq² upon r. Therefore v is equals to under root kq² divided by rm. Okay, clear? Now just put the formula where k is constant and having a constant value of 9 into 10 to the power 9, where value of k is equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9 square coulomb into square. Okay, so that's the value of k. Now put this value in this formula. Okay, we will get v is equals to under root of 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square, that is charge. Okay, so it is given that charge is minus 4, so let's say it is minus 4. Similarly we have given r, that is 10 centimeter, and that will be equals 10 to minus 2 meter, so 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. And mass is also provided, 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Okay, so if you are going to solve this, आप जब इसे solve करेंगे, then we will get the speed of the particle when the separation becomes large, and the speed will be equals to 600 meter per second. Okay, so that is the speed of the particle when the separation becomes large. I hope, student, you will get this answer and understand the concept. Thank you.